Alright, we're cleaning what really amounts to just one large room. You can see some of it over there. Just cleaning one large room here. And get an idea. It's got some stains in it. They have a dog. So, and he's pre-spraying an area. We're not going to pre-spray the whole carpet at one time because we don't want our pre-spray to start soaking in too much. It's a really thick, lush carpet. Give you just an initial walk around here. Let's see, there's some pretty good. That's pet messes over there. The dark splotches. Alright, we're going to get the pre-spray finished up here and we'll start cleaning, so stay tuned. Alright, we started in the hallway and backed his way out. Not sure how this is going to turn out with the overhead lights on. We usually like to do the videos in natural light as much as possible, but it's overcast today. So I'm going to open this door up again.
No, wait a minute. It'll dry up so.
This is a very nice soft carpet.
It has soft.
Now we did put down a neutral pH pre-spray. And it is a pre-spray that's people and pet friendly. So since they have a pet in here, that's kind of a nice thing to consider. And these carpets are going to be dry in about an hour. So that's another nice thing with a soft carpet like this. If you get it wet, it's going to stay wet for a long time. So we're only getting
they're going to be drier quicker than that.
Yeah, we're getting it slightly damp is all. Super quick. The hallway looks really nice. All the stains are coming out. Kind of should have done a smaller area with the pre-spray, huh?
No, but no bigger than this. Never pre-spray ahead.
Too far ahead.
The whole room, because you're just wasting your pre-spray.
Well, if you have to respray it to get it moist again, then you're just doubling your amount of spray you have to use that way. So.
That's exactly right.
Yeah, I hope this comes out.
It'll come out.
With overhead lights, you have weird shadows and stuff, and it changes the color of the carpet. I know this carpet's like a cream colored, but sometimes with video and the color of the lights that they have in the ceiling here, it may not look. It's not going to show the actual color of the carpet. That's for sure. And there tend to be some artifacts and stuff that you see that aren't really there because of the way the lights are. I'm cleaning under the table.
Trying to. That's the thing about this machine. It goes under tables just fine and dandy. It goes under a lot of pressure.
Yeah, and you can tell it's actually a really quiet machine, so it doesn't disturb. If there was somebody asleep in one of the bedrooms or something like that, it wouldn't bother them. So it's nice and quiet. It's not nearly as loud as a vacuum cleaner or something would be. Got some debris picked up. Now this is an orbital machine. It's not just rotating, spinning around. It orbits, so it's able to clean the carpet fibers from all sides and when it's in motion. And it does clean all the way down to the base of the carpet, so it cleans the entire carpet fiber. It does a really good job. And we've shown some videos where you see it pulling up things that vacuum cleaners have missed. So it goes deeper. It cleans deeper than your vacuum cleaner vacuums. So that's something good. We can get your carpets really, really clean this way. All right, we'll pause it here. We got to spray another section. So stay tuned.
We got someone that works with us, and they're going to come right back, and they're going to just, I told them just
She
walk
just
in.
pulled up, so.
I thought I heard a car door slamming. That'll be her.
I'm going to pause this just for a second. All right. That room's basically done, and I'm going to show, come in here, and we're going to do this room. This one's going to be a little bit more tricky because around the sofa here is where people put their feet and spill drinks and all that stuff, so. Now some of this, where there's pet messes and things, if it doesn't come 100% out, we have a spray we put down afterwards that gets organics. And how it works is it just slowly cleans the stains as it dries. So it's kind of a slower process. So a lot of times where we use that at, the carpets will be brighter the next day than they are today. They have to completely dry. And again, this is low moisture, so we're cleaning here and we're looking at carpets dry in about an hour. So carpets take too long to dry, what happens is you start bringing up things from underneath the carpet, stuff in the pad and everything. It starts drawing it to the top as it dries. So you want your carpet to dry really quickly, or else you'll get stains you didn't know you had.
Yeah, they'll come from down under.
Yeah, from Australia. Good job.
Yeah.
Let's try to sneak by you here. Kind of a tight area to find a place to stand in.
Go there, boy.
Okay. Did you flip that thing at all?
Don't need it. It's still absorbing. I can feel it. I can tell it by watching it. I'm feeling this is a burn.
It looks like a gouge.
It's just from the fireplace, I think. Can't fix it up.
Some of the darker specks you see in there, they're actually embedded in the
They're
carpet.
burns from the fireplace.
It's probably,
sparking.
it's probably from some embers. Now we also use this machine to do floors. We don't always mention that, but we do floors and carpets with this machine. So. Okay, can you get right there? Can you get right here? Let's see.
I've been over there. Watch out.
Let me see if you can get in that corner, even though it might be restricted.
I don't know if that's not a burn. That's pretty clean, I guess. What do you think? Once the stuff come out. Too bad about little burn marks. That is a patch.
You get one of those half circle. You get one of those half circle hearth mats, and just stick it down there. And you can hide that if you wanted to. All right.
Bye bye.
I can't really see if it's showing it or not.
I don't know what it is, but it appears to be wanting to come out.
That's good.
It
It's
don't
really
want to.
embarrassing on video when it doesn't.
It don't want to be here for Christmas. I guess it don't want a present. Come on now. Come on now. Get it out.
Okay. I'm gonna have to back out of there. There's not enough room. Yeah, all that's left in here, I'll try to get a little closer, see if you can tell. Yeah, those are just like gouges
That's
in the
not
carpet.
nothing left. That's
Yeah, those are
permanent.
like holes now.
That's permanent damage.
Okay, in the hallway, little area there. Came out good. All right, he'll probably just keep going over things a little bit more. But if you rewind the video to the beginning, and you can see where we started at, it's a huge improvement, and it's fast. And the carpets up here are basically dry already. So
I bet they are dry.
I shot down the hallway there. So
It won't be long.
that's another one.
No,
I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.